Are your apps constantly stopping on your Samsung phone? This usually happens because of outdated software, corrupted app data, or low storage. Well, here's how you can easily fix this issue. Solution 1. Enable all permission. First, open up the settings, then scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on the apps. Now find the apps you're getting issues. Tap on it. Next, tap on permission. Here you will find not allowed apps. Now make sure to allow them one by one. Solution 2. Force stop and clear cache. Press and hold on the app, then tap on the eye icon. After that, now tap on storage, then tap clear data from the below. Now check your issue whether it is fixed or not. If not, then follow my next solution. Solution 3. Uninstall and reinstall the app. Press and hold on the app, then tap on uninstall. Now tap OK. After that, go to the Play Store, search your app, and then install it again. I hope your issue is all sorted now. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.